Today we're working on the #1 pump here at the Encinitas Estates pump station.
It's like being at inside of a sauna, you know, ventilation is limited, it's hot, space is limited, and it's pretty tight.
Over a course of a weekend, we actually had a surge of rags in the wet well, had gotten sucked up into the pumps and caused the pumps to actually suck the water level lower than it was normally expected to go. And in the course of that, on top of that water line was a mat of what we call grease and rags from the hand wipes that are being flushed down the toilets. All this has plugged up into our pumps and caused those seals that protects any leakage of water in the dry well itself to start leaking.
We're working on a mechanical seal that's been leaking here at Encinitas pump station, and we're just repairing it today and getting it back in service.